Let's see the difference between prompt engineering versus fine tuning versus RAG. So prompt engineering, basically, suppose you have the base LLM model, and if you give this as a input, like act as a chef and provide me a recipe. Okay, so what it will do, this base LLM model will give you the customized output, just like you give any query to ChatGPT, you get the response. Okay, the pros is like you don't need any technical expertise in using this, and you will get the instant results. Okay, and no need to train the LLMs, correct? So if no training is needed, then there will be no cost. But there are some cons as well. So the cons is this base LLM model will have the limited knowledge. Okay, so and because of that reason, you will not going to get the updated results. Okay, and that's why there will be some inconsistency in the results, and also you cannot add a new knowledge. If you want to build any AI assistant chatbot, okay, so it will be very specific to your company domain, and basically you will going to teach this best LLM model with some training data. Okay, and this training data is basically your company data. So you want to feed this company data and give to this base LLM model, and then that will be become as a fine-tuned LLM. So if you ask any query related to your company data, you will going to get the results. Okay? Next one is you will always going to get the consistent behavior in chatbot. Okay, and here you don't need to prompt, you don't need prompt engineering. But there are some cons with fine tuning, and the cons is related to money. So because this fine tuning is what you are doing, you are basically training the base LLM model. So you will always have to be train the model, okay, after some specific time. Okay, and that is very costly because you need the GPU. Okay, and also you need some expertise in ML and Gen AI to do this fine tuning, and regularly retraining is required, as I said earlier itself, for updating the model.